Here are signs that you are clairsentient. Number 1. So can you walk in the room and feel its energy, either good or bad? Can you hold a crystal and feel the vibration of it and determine how it feels and resonates with you? If you can do this, you are most likely clairsentient. Clairsentient is this clairs of clear feeling. So you are able to intuitively feel energies, emotional vibrations of places, situations, or people's emotions. A lot of empaths are usually clairsentient as they can sense and feel people's emotions. So you could be experiencing clairsentience in 3 ways. So number 1, it could be, like I said before, sensing the vibe of a particular place, energy of an object or person. Number 2, it could be an emotional tuning. So you could walk into a grocery store and you could sense that the person in front of you is having the most wonderful day or is having the most terrible day on earth. Number 3, it could be physical sensations such as tingling or energetic nudges. You could be experiencing shivers or chills, or you could be experiencing warmth of your hands. Here are signs that you are clairsentient. Number 1, you are overwhelmed in crowded places or crowds. You do not like to go to a Costco on Saturday, nor do you want to go to the Taylor Swift concert, because all these energies will be impacting you way too much. You might also be drawn to black obsidian crystals to protect and preserve your energy and not let other people's energy interfere with you. You have a lot of gut feelings or instincts. You have a lot of intuitive knowing within your first brain, which a lot of people say is your gut. And you follow those gut feelings, and 99.9% your gut feeling is right. You might have the physical sensation that something might be off in a person, place, or thing. Here is a practice that I use to heighten my clairsentience. I went to different environments such as a forest, the grocery store, and then an old building. I just silenced my mind and sensed the energies how I felt this particular space. So obviously, forest, I felt very calm and relaxed and inviting. In the grocery store, I felt very anxious. Like I started to worry a lot about my finances, and I felt like my mind was racing a lot. Like I needed to get in and out. Like it was not a pleasant experience. When I went into an old building, I could definitely sense old energies that were lingering around there. So you have to note the emotions and sensations that these places are invoking in you. So note them, pinpoint them, and jot them down. This will help you increase this particular clair. If this has resonated with you, go ahead and hit subscribe. Or if you want to explore this clair more, or if this is your dominant clair, please write in the comments below. My intuition grows stronger with every feeling I honor. My intuition grows stronger with every feeling I honor. So this is a personal and powerful psychic ability as you feel and navigate your way around this world and trusting the energies that you feel. So if sensitivity is your superpower, it's remember to honor your feelings and protect your energies, and always trust your gut instinct if you are developing this particular clair. If you are gifted in just knowing that something is going to happen, or you have that intuitive hint that, yeah, you're going to run into your old boyfriend at the grocery store, you are probably a good candidate of claircognizance. So go ahead and watch the next video and let's dive into that. Bye.